session I'm starting or I'm delivering a lecture on a questionnaire. Okay, so when you are doing a research, by that time there would be a lot many things that you are doing. So we are doing a research with the initial step of data collection, and while doing a data collection from fundamentally, as several students are there, all of you might be have heard that you are collecting a quantitative data or qualitative data, that all of the terms that you have seen previously. And after COVID also, you are collecting that same thing. That time you will say that most of the data is there, that is available in a quantitative terms, that some data is available in terms of qualitative. Uh, so what is the data collection that you know, how we are collecting, what exactly we are doing in a data collection, that all of you knows that in a data collection we are collecting information in terms of numbers or in terms of qualities like the patient disease, the severities, then the type of the problems, all these data that we are categorizing from a qualitative or a quantitative. So in a data collection, we are basically learning two methods, a quantitative data collection method and qualitative data collection method. Okay, so data collection means what? Just only a gathering of information from the wide variety of the sources. So the several tools that we knows, from that we are collecting a data. So the following are the list. There we can see that the first basic tool that we know, questionnaire, from we are collecting a data. Then the interviews, then direct observation also we are collecting information. Then there would be some documents or the other materials are there. From that also we can gather the data. Then when we have to collect the information, then another type of the collecting a data would be a focus group discussion or focus group interviews. There also we can collect the data. Then there would be some case studies are there. There would be a data is there. There would be a information is there. From that also we can collect information. And then other methods are also there. Okay, so from that also we can collect the information. So basically in today's session we are focusing on just only a questionnaire. So the what is mean by a questionnaire? That would be a again I have the simple question, and might be 90% or the most of the people knows that what is a questionnaire. So the what is a questionnaire? This was the main data collection method which is used in a research. Okay, so questionnaire are popular means of the data collection. When we have to collect a data, and most of the times when the data collection are going to be done, by that time the questionnaire are the mostly it is used. But designing of the questionnaire, it is a difficult, because several people are required to finalize that questionnaire before that you are implementing. Okay, so when we are preparing a questionnaire, by that time the several process are we need to do that. We have to finalize that questionnaire with the experts, with the uh, participants, with the researcher, with all the people, with a statistician, with all these people, we need to involve in that process, and then we have to finalize that questionnaire. And once that we are finalizing that questionnaire, then we are utilizing it is for the gathering of the information. The most important issue for the related with the data collection is choosing most appropriate information or the question that the author is required or that respondent, means that either that the data collect that researcher is required that information, and that respondent, they are those who are participating in that research, that that question that we need to include in that questionnaire. Okay, so the when we are planning a data collection, then it is a very hard that researcher has having a difficulty to think about the question which that respondents are able to give that answers. And it is also hard when we are interpreting the results. By that time it has to be a very easy, means that interpretation of that result, it has to be again a difficult thing. Okay, so by finalizing our questionnaire, we are facing we are having some of the advantages of that questionnaire. When we will collect that information by using questionnaire, or when we are thought about we have to collect the data by using a questionnaire, then some of the advantages we have. What are the advantages? When we are using a questionnaire, by that time we can go for the large population, and uh, this this would be a we can collect we can use that questionnaire for the telephonic interviews, or direct interviews, or we can use that questionnaire to collect the data by using a post, or we can collect that information of uh, by using questionnaire by using a post or email or a fax. Uh, it is very easy that you can send that questionnaire, and you can get that field, and you can collect that information in that questionnaire. Okay, so the sending a questionnaire, it is not a difficult task, and collecting that again back, it is not a difficult task. As compared to other things, for that we have to set up the several things. Means if we have to collect the data from focus group discussion, or if you have to collect the data from research, or that case studies, or secondary sources, by that time there would be having some difficulty. When we are collecting a data by using a questionnaire, by that means when we are directly reaching to participants, those who are really true participants, or uh, they are the only one research, or the target population, that would be the only the uh, accurate data people they are involving in that questionnaire. Okay, so when we are using a questionnaire, by that time we can go for the large population. Then the questionnaire is having again one more advantage, that we can go for the wider geographical coverage. Then when we are using a questionnaire, by that time the cost of that data collection, it is a very cheap cost. Then when we are collecting a data through questionnaire, then you know that we need not to prepare some a basic arrangement when we have to collect the data. And when we are collecting a data through a questionnaire, by that time we can avoid the embarrassment of that respondent. Means uh, when we are collecting a data, by that time we have seen that what are the difficulties in that. Difficulty, the embarrassment from the respondent, it was one of the major issue. And then again the bias, that interview bias, again we can avoid through a questionnaire. Then the possible the anonymity of the respondent, that also we can avoid. Means if we look at a questionnaire, then we are getting a more accurate, more unbiased, and more consistent that what are the three basic principle of that statistics that we are utilizing, that sufficiency, efficiency and consistency, we can get it through a questionnaire.